everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're all fitting well. So today I am going to do a tidy video. I'm going to dedicate the day to do my kitchen. It's not very nice weather outside. It's quite cold here in Newcastle and windy, so I obviously can't sit in the garden, so I thought, right, I'll just get cracking with the fridge. There's 3 of us live in the house, and over the last few weeks we've just sort of all been going into the fridge and it's just an absolute shambles. So I just thought I would tidy it out. I bought some new boxes yesterday, storage containers from Home Bargains. They were actually £1.50. I've also bought 5 of those. I've already got some existing containers in the fridge, so I'm just going to try and I'm going to empty the fridge. I'll show you how messy it is, and I'm going to categorise everything. I'm going to print labels and put them on the containers, and hopefully it's going to just be so easy to sort of tidy after that. But I'll start off by showing you the dreaded fridge and show you how bad it is inside. So this is inside the fridge of doom. As you can see, it's just absolutely chaotic. It's an absolute mess. There's been probably stuff in the back of there that's been there for absolutely ages. I mean, that lasty must have been there since Christmas. What the hell's that? Optical illusion. Right, I don't even know where that's come from. Even Baileys, mince pie Baileys, that probably needs to go down the sink. So I'm going to give it a good old tidy out, and I'll show you what I'm going to start emptying it, and we'll see how we'll get on. I'll have to keep shutting the door because the alarm will keep going off. So start by emptying everything out. I don't know if you can see it, but at the back I've already got loads of containers that aren't even being used. I'm sure I can put those to use. I don't know why I keep swinging onto the door. Alarm going off again. These are actually really good. These lids, this one's too tight, too slack, but they are quite good. So I've got everything out now, and all the trays that I can take out. I can't take these trays out because they're bang against the door, so I'm just going to have to clean it with them in. So I am using Dettol spray. I washed the other ones in the sink with hot soapy water. And I'm just going to clean everywhere I can. Some scuffs on the door, which I'll use the pink stuff on. Just shut that so the alarm goes off. I should take this straight off. It's such a good product, this. If you haven't tried it, definitely worth a try. Literally taken me all day to do the fridge. I have had a couple of breaks where I've kind of gone in the garden, but I feel like it's really organised now. It probably looks like it belongs to somebody that suffers from OCD, but hey ho, I'm happy with it. So in the top box I've put things like all my pesto, olives, sun-dried tomatoes, capers. This is like an Italian box where I've got tomato puree, passata and tinned tomatoes. I've got like salad dressings, balsamics and things like that in that box. I've got all the cheeses, soft cheese, hard cheese, every kind of cheese. All the jams and things in this one. I've put my Pepsi along here with drinks on. But all my dairy products are there. I've put fizz, like bottles in the door. Milk, I haven't got a sticker on there. I've got all my mixed vegetables down there and mixed salad in that one. And I've also got cans of pop in the door. I've left this shelf empty for when I go shopping, and I've got these little containers which I bought from Poundland a while ago, but the glass, so they're ideal if I do like a bolognese and there's some left over, and I can put them in there. So that is it, kind of finished. I think it's actually probably the tidiest my fridge has ever been. So there you go. So if you've enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.